Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi na isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about quotients of rational algebraic expressions. So, proceed agad tayo sa ating example number 1. Give the quotient in simplest form. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, so 3 over 15x divided by 4 over 10x squared. So, ang gagawin natin, first, kopyahin muna natin yung first term na 3 over 15x. Tapos, kunin natin yung reciprocal ng 4 over 10x squared. Then, change from division to multiplication. Okay? So, baliktarin natin yan. That is 10x squared over 4. Then, multiply natin si numerator to numerator. So, that is 30x squared over 60. 15 times 4, yan. That is 60. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung x. Okay, then, dito tayo sa baba konti para makita, ha. I-reduce to lowest term natin yan, 30. Divide natin yan, both numerator and denominator, by 30. So, 30 divided by 30 is 1. Or x squared na lang yung naiwan sa numerator. Sa denominator, 60 divided by 30, so that is 2x. Okay, then i-cancel natin yung x at saka yung x. So, meron pang isang x na iwan sa numerator. So, equals, yung final answer natin is x over, and naiwan sa denominator is 2. Okay, so this is your final answer. Next, number 2. X squared minus 5x plus 6 over y squared divided by x squared minus 2x over y. Okay? So, kopyahin muna natin yan si x squared minus 5x plus 6 over y squared. Then, change natin ito multiplication. Tapos, kunin natin yung reciprocal nito. May x squared minus 2x minus over y. So, times y over x squared minus 2x. Okay? Then, i-multiply natin yan. Y times mamaya natin i-multiply yan. Sorry. Okay? Kunin muna natin yung factor ng x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay? Factor natin yan. So, x squared mo yan. So, x, dalawang x. Tapos, negative, positive. So, this is negative, negative. Factor ng 6 is 3 and 2. Or, pwede magkabaliktad, ha. Then, over si y squared times factor nito is factor niyan x tapos x minus 2. Huwag kalimutan yung y sa taas times y. Okay? Then, i-cancel natin yung same term. Okay? Yung kapareho o yung pareho. X minus 2. X minus 2. Then, isang y. Tapos, isang y. May y pa na naiwan. Okay? Then, ang naiwan dyan sa numerator, that is x minus 3 over isang y at saka isang x or x, y. So, this is your final answer. At maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.